Was there a defining moment at Snowflake pre-IPO where their leadership realized that they had validated the massive opportunity ahead of them and the product market fit in relation to it? Was there like a moment that you remember along the way that said, yep, we validated, we're very, very positive about the future ahead of us?
Yeah. So I would say, like, hey, here's the thing I would say. Let me give you, like, two examples, okay?
Mm-hmm.
One that is like, an internal example, and one that is an external example, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The internal example was like, there was a significant performance enhancement that the company was making, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The challenge with the performance investments that you make is because, like, then, like, because you have sort of what I call split storage and compute, your business model is all relying on compute, not on storage.
Yeah.
Okay. And the faster your queries run, you actually lose revenue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So and in hindsight, like, when you're not in the thick of things, it's easy to say, yep, it's a no-brainer decision kind of thing. But the company did debate this, like, hey, what should we do here? Hey, if we do this, like, in the next quarter, revenue is going to be down. Now, over a period of time, it'll come back up. What should we do, kind of thing? And I was so thrilled to know that it was not a meaningful discussion, because the company was really, really, really convinced that we need to do what is right for our customers, and everything else will fit into its place, right? So to me, that the way the team handled that conversation, the way the team made the decision, I thought, was high integrity, high class, and focused on keeping the customer first and foremost, kind of thing. I knew that, like, we got a winning play in our hand. That was one thing.
Yeah.
The second thing was, like, hey, there was without naming names, I would say, one of the leading financial institutions, and financial institutions are a tough nut to crack. Okay.
Yeah.
Particularly when you tell them, like, hey, are you willing to put your data in the cloud, right? But we had earlier on one very large financial institution that was sort of, evaluating Snowflake, and sort of, crossed the finish line and said, hey, we think we want to take a bet on Snowflake. And oh, by the way, this is going to be, like, starting with a 7-figure deal, growing quickly to an 8-figure deal, and potentially getting to a 9-figure deal somewhere, right?
Wow. Yeah.
That level of commitment from a financial institution, we felt like, hey, we had taken a bet that everybody will be willing to come to Snowflake, though Snowflake is running on the public cloud, kind of thing. Having a financial institution, particularly early on, say that, like, hey, we are going to take a bet. We felt that was a super or a defining moment that sort of validated all our hypotheses about, like, how this is a non-stoppable journey where people are going to come to the public cloud more and more and more and more. And Snowflake is in the right place at the right time to be able to deliver a phenomenal amount of value to our customers.